Originally, it was supposed to work like this, but he lagged. So then, he proceeded to use move 1 and 2 instead, which works too, I guess. I missed badly. Sorry, I was describing Gotoru-Goyo. The black flash chain. A series of black flashes on the back leading to the final, strongest hit of the chain. It is very effective in damage, but hard to learn.
Judas, Gaga. Judas, Gaga. When he calls to me, I am ready. All of my feet with his hair if he knows. Forgive him when his tongue lies through his brain. Even after 3 times he betrays me.